Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video we have discussed about the dynamic form update. So if you have not watched the last video, you can go and watch that. I will put the link in the description. So 2400 800, and in the last video we have done up to here, right? So in this video what we are going to do is to save the records. So if you remember, we have created if I go to migration file, we have one purchase table and one is product table, right? So in this video we are going to save this data. So if you try to do directly, the data will not be saved. So what we need to do is to modify the process, because some data that we need are to be stored in purchase table. For example, provider ID, invoice number, purchase date, this one, and some data that we need will be stored in purchase product table. So let's start. So for that, let me go to purchase resource, and in the create purchase resource we will have to define the handle. I think public function handle record creation. I think it's there, right? Okay, it should return the model type of data, right? Okay, return. Okay, let me just what we'll get is, it will get the array of $data. The data will be the form field form data, and if let me just delete $data, let's see what will happen. So let's check it, how is our data showing. So from purchase resource, invoice number, let's say 23, purchase date is okay 31, okay laptop, okay I bought it at 400, 20, everything is this much. Okay, let me create it. So this is our data. We have provider ID, invoice number, purchase date, and we have a product array for products, where we will have product ID, price and quantity, and after that we have total amount, discount and net total. So if we go and check our resource, so for example, okay, tenant ID, it will be automatically filled by Filament. So one thing we need is invoice number, it is there, right? Purchase date, we have purchase date. After that, total, discount, right? Total amount and discount, we have this. And I have told that net total will not be added. We can subtract these two and show in case of necessary, or we can add that. I won't add it. Okay, just leave for that. So what we will have is, so purchase is to create. So how we will create purchase is we will have provider ID, right? Provider ID is $data provider ID. After that we have invoice number. Okay, invoice, sorry, okay, let me just zoom in. Okay, let me just close this. Invoice number, which is in our data, invoice, sorry, invoice number. After that we have purchase date, $data purchase date, right? After that we have total amount, which should be stored in total. So total will be total amount. After that we have discount data, and this is our discount. Perfect. I think this is what we need in a purchase, right? And for remaining things, for example data and remarks, we have not created anything, so I will just leave it for now. So now it will be our purchase. Okay, pure CHS purchase, right? Since we need to return the model, what I will do is return purchase. Perfect. So let us check if this works or not. I mean, the products are not associated still, but let's say the purchase will be saved or not. Let me just create for it. Okay, field tenant ID does not have a default value, so it means we have created the relation in tenant. Okay, and what about tenant? Okay, we have missed here. Public function purs yes purchases return $this as many purchases, right? One tenant can have many purchases. So why I have done this is we are working as a tenant management part, so we have two panels. So if you are new to this you can watch our part 1 and part 2 of this video series. You will get knowledge of this topic, why we are doing this and what is the purpose of this. Okay, so let me try to save it again. Okay, still I got same here. Field tenant ID does not have. So let me try to refresh it. Okay, from purchase resource invoice number. Okay, date. Let's say product, price, quantity. Great. Okay, field tenant ID does not have a default value. Okay, the next thing we can use from ourselves if it does not work. Okay, filament is to get tenant ID. That's it. This will get us the current tenant ID. Okay, let me try to create it. That's it. So now we have at least one purchase. Currently it's not linked to any products because we haven't done that part. So if I go to table, let me just add text column, make what is the thing we have to add is, okay, suppose invoice number, invoice number. Now let's say 23. Perfect. And the next thing we can add is text, tables, columns, text column, make provider dot name, label provider. Okay, this is the provider. This is how we access the relationship in a column in Filament. Okay, this is the relationship name provider and this is the title attribute from purchase resource. Okay, perfect. So now let us go for our products part. So this is what we need mainly. So let me just get is $products equals to $data products, right? Now we have the list of products in our products array. If I will delete this, so let me create a new purchase from purchase number 223 and okay, laptop price let's say 23, quantity let's say 25. Okay, if I create this, okay, I think I misspelled this. It should be product, right? Now we have an array of products, right? So where we will store this, we will add this on the product purchase. If I go to purchase model, now we have this, right? So what we will do is for each $PRODUCTS products is $product, right? $purchase products. Great. We will try to create the purchase products from the purchase relationship. We have purchase product. So what we will need is product ID, which will be in the product ID, right? Then I think price, which will be in the product price, and there is another thing is quantity. Quantity which will be inside our product quantity. Perfect. So we have purchased products, we will create like this. So let us check if it works or not. Okay, purchase. So currently, okay, this is our edit products. Okay, new purchase. From purchase source 34 number, 26 date, product price is 43, quantity is 24. Let's see. Let me create this. Okay, attempt to read property ID and array. Sorry, it is array. My bad. It is product ID, or let me just product. In what key it is coming? I just forget this. Okay, my bad. Product ID. Sorry for that. Okay, let me create this. As many relationship. Create Laravel. Post with comments, post title belongs to find comments. I need to create that, right? To create as many relationship data. Invoice creates. I did like this, but create did not work for me. What was the error? Okay, eliminate collection. Oh, my bad. It should be. Sorry for that. Okay, now we are up to here. So now we need to add the purchase product. Your CHAS purchase product and let us make it empty. And if I will create this, okay, now it's created. So but it's not okay, there are so many records. Let me just delete everyone. Okay, okay, let's cancel this. Okay, now what we need to do is, now for the products, what we will do, we will add a filament relation manager, right? So we will show the products. So for that, PHP artisan make filament relation manager. Okay, what is our resource? Okay, it will be purchase resource. I think it purchase. Relationship is our products. Title attribute is product name, right? In our admin. Okay, so let us go to purchase resource, and in our relation function, what we will do is, if we'll check here, let's to our purchase resource. Here we have our relation, right? So product relation manager is used to. So if I refresh this, if I will go there and see, we have something data here. So let us go here, and here what we will do, make name. Okay, it should be product dot name. I think it will work. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, now we have products relation. Okay, it belongs to product, and we think we added product name, isn't it? What is the primary key? It's name. Okay. Tables, columns, text column. Make, okay, what we need is quantity. What was the quantity? And price. Okay, we get quantity and price. So for name, since it is our relationship, we need to define in here public function product belongs to product table. So now if I go back to here, product dot name, that's it. Okay, that's it. So this much for this video. In the coming video we will work for the creation of the new product from here, and also we will add the invoice system. So thank you guys for watching this video.